Uh, I'm Sai from Noor Fashion. So today I'm going to show you the original FILA men's boxer, original 100%, and we have stock around 500,000 pieces. We have stock around 500,000 pieces. All are original stock. Original stuff. You can see the packing. Original packing. Original cancel shipment stock. You can see there is all 6 category: 1 category, 2 category, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Mainly 1 piece and 2 piece, 2 piece and 3 piece pack. This is 3 piece pack. This is 3 piece pack. All is, and
no, it's 4 piece.
And this is 4 piece pack, and this is 2 piece pack. So I'm going to unboxing. Let's see. I'm going to unboxing one box. Let's see. Original FILA. Let's see. It's nice brief. I'm going to unboxing. This is the main label. Made in Bangladesh. And really nice FILA. So here I'm going to show you another box. I will see. So really nice. Here is another color. You can see. So this stock we have around 5 lakh pieces, 500,000 pieces. We have men's boxer, and all is FILA. You can see FILA. And here is a technical pack. I can show you. There's a technical pack. You can see. All production 2021. All production 2021. Production is 2021, May 2021. New production. You can see all the. You can see. And you can see. So you can see the packing list. I can show you here. 100,000 pieces. Here is 100,000 pieces, and this pack show more 487,000 pieces. 4,87,000 pieces.
All about 500,000.
So all about 500,000 pieces, 500,000 pieces, original FILA men's boxer. You can see. And this one is the solid. And this I'm going to unboxing another pack. See this one. Super. So this is for today. So we have about more than 500,000 pieces stock FILA boxer. So you can buy from us if you're interested. We have this product in one factory, big factory. We have this product in Bangladesh. You can see the price tag, everything. So we have this product in our stock, ready stock. You can buy from us, no problem. Thank you. I hope to do the business with you guys. Thank you. Take care.
Okay, please subscribe my channel and please check the description box. There is our all contract information. Thank you. Goodbye.